this is his surprise trip for me. I don't know where I'm going, but now I found it. This is our last travel of this year in Japan. My driving set up 3 surprises for me. The first one is the Shinkansen, because I've never ridden Shinkansen before. That's why he chose this, even it was quite close place from Tokyo. That was so nice experience. Thank you.
We felt the sunshine. We found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost?
There is like an old onsen I want to go see. We have like until 10, and then we move.
Okay.
Can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
I'm scared. Can I see backside once?
My dear friend,
So this is the second surprise for me. A rental car. By the way, I don't have a car license. So are you ready to drive a bit? And no answer. He's driving! He's driving in Japan!
Oh, I can choose.
You should go there.
Yeah. Okay, driving a car is not stressful at all. That was. Because it looks nice, you know, from far away.
Because it's nice.
Wow.
The typhoon was approaching to us at the time.
Yeah, really a typhoon too?
I don't know.
Doesn't feel like a typhoon. It's
Yeah. Open your mouth. Here. Don't move. Good job.
would you be there for me if I'm flying straight into the sun? Blinded by the light I'm chasing, that has happened before. And maybe you don't know for sure, but you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright.
Thank you for watching day 1. Here is day 2. Go on.